Hi friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is going to be sort of an organization video. I have lots of leftover Christmas um, DIY and decor supplies, and so I was trying to find some way to store them so that I would have them here at my fingertips in case I wanted to get a head start on Christmas of 2021. So I didn't want them to go under the stairs or to the little storage room that we're going to rent in a few days. So I found this, and it was only $10. Where's the top? Here we go. I found this at our local Roses. However, when I went into Big Lots later on, the same day, I found the same one, and it was for the same price, $10. It seals really well. It has double seals on both sides, as you can see. And I'm hoping that this will hold all of my leftover supplies. Like I have this one, and this one, so that's two. And then I have this box. Let me see. Let me get rid of this. I can show you the box too. Take this down. So you've seen those two. I'm thinking I may need a second one. I'm hoping I don't if I organize correctly. And I'm thinking I may because I also have this box. So for all of this in this box is not Christmas. Some of the things in this box are just upcycles that I've had for a while, or DIYs that I've had in my mind for a while, and then the Christmas stuff is just on top of it. So we'll see how this goes. So what I'm going to do is put the camera down, see if I can situate it so that you can see how I attempt to organize this. And if it does get too crowded, because I do want it to be organized in a manner that I can see what's in here, which thus the clear container, and I can get to it without disarranging what I've rearranged, if that makes sense. So I'm going to try and do this. And if I have to get a second one, I do have room in the closet that I intend to store this for one more. I'm just trying to pare down. So I may even be getting rid of some stuff. So I'm going to get started. I have florals too, left over. So I'm going to see what I can do with this container. So come on in and let's organize some craft stuff.
You've been through lately. I know this ride can be shaky, and we'd be much safer on the ground. So very sure that you felt it, and so very hard to explain it. Up in the air, this love we found. It's a tricky situation, 'cause we don't know what to do. But I feel your every motion as I'm calling out for you. Restless heart, please find your home. Back to the start, where I'm calling out for you. You don't have to carry that weight. My every part find the words to say. I have to find another way to show you what's on my mind. Oh, what's on my mind. We can slip out the back door. I just wanna hold you like before. Oh girl, you're really one of a kind. One of a kind. It's a tricky situation, 'cause we don't know what to do. But I feel your every motion as I'm calling out for you. Restless heart, please find your home. Back to the start, where I'm calling out for you. You don't have to carry that weight. My every part is calling out for you. Calling out for you. It's easier said than done. I guess I was the foolish one. But when you believe in love, it's all you ever dream Restless heart, restless heart, please find your home. Back to the start, where I'm calling out for you. You don't have to carry that weight. My every part is calling out for you. Calling out for you. Calling out for you.
I will never leave you in the pouring rain. And no matter what we go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby. You and me in the sun. Know that I'll still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you. No one's gonna love you like I do. So glad that I found you. You're the missing piece, the last piece of the puzzle. I'm finally at ease. So when times are rough and the promises we make just seem so hollow and weak, and we're about to break, we have to remind ourselves, 'cause we know how we feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Ain't over till it's over. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna love it till it's gone. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the wait, that's I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the weight that's on your shoulder, yes, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me when I say, no one's gonna love you like I do. Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but
So this one held all three, most of all three containers. This one here still has a bunch of these. So what I think I'm going to do is to get a second one, and in that I'll put Christmas ornaments and florals, Christmas florals. Everything in the box that I had was not Christmas decor. I have some other bottles and things in there that I work on year round. But I am glad the way that this worked out. I do, like, I'm looking now over here on a shelf, and I have some more Christmas balls too. Now they could be packed up and go either under the stairs or in storage. However, the reason I'm keeping just a little stuff here is because it gives me a head start before we have to go and bring everything home. So I think I'm going to get a second one. But I am loving this. Look at how compact it is. It'll fit on the floor in a closet underneath clothes. You won't even know it's there. So I think that this was a pretty good deal. So I am going to get a second one. I'm not sure I'm going to come back and let you watch me pack that one, because you've seen how much it will hold. You saw how much stuff I put in here. So if you're looking for something like this for craft storage, or if you're looking for other storage, the beginning of the year is coming. We need to get organized. I think this would be great to hold extra linen. It's too tall to go under a bed, but it will fit in a closet, in a corner, on a shelf in a closet. So if you're thinking about it, and it was only $10, and it's really sturdy, it really is. And I love the fact that it double locks, because you know how you get some of them and they lock on the end, and you pick it up if it's full and the top comes off and that kind of thing. This won't do that because it's locking on both sides. So again, I picked it up from Rose's. I don't know the brand, but you can get it at Big Lots. Where are my glasses? I don't see a brand on it. Hold on, maybe I do. It's Sterilite, and it's the 54 quart, and it's 22.5 inches long by 16 inches wide, and it's 12 3/4 inches high. So there you go. It's by Sterilite, and you can find it both at Rose's if you have one of those. I'm not sure everyone does, or Big Lots. I think most everybody has a Big Lots. So guys, I just wanted to share that with you. I'm starting to store things away. We're going to be doing lots more organization beginning of the new year. So do stick and stay if you're new here. I'm glad you stopped by, and I'm grateful that you stopped by. I hope you will find something if you check out the other videos. I'm going to put two Christmas videos in the cards and in the description. I think I have prepper. I think I'm going to put prepper videos in the description below so that you can get a little variety. Once you get to my YouTube channel, you can see that we do a little bit of everything. If you're one of my new subbies, I want to say welcome. I'm so glad that you stopped in and you found this place and it offered you something that made you want to stay. And I hope that you will come in often. I hope that you will comment so that we can get to know each other. I love reading your comments and responding. And to my ride or dies, I love you. I love you. I love you. And I'm so glad that we're on this journey together. With that said, I'm going to remind you to find something today that brings joy into your life. We're going to begin a new year. I hope we can begin it on a positive note. If you put positivity here and joy here, we'll all be fine. So let's do that. And I'm going to leave you with
baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Wasted loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we